there's a guide on how you can turn off email notification on LinkedIn. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So the first step is open LinkedIn. After that, click on your profile icon on the top left section of your screen. After that, click on the option that says settings in the bottom, as you can see. Click on settings. After that, click on notifications. After that, you have to click on messaging. As you can see, it's in the middle. And then you have to click on messages. And then toggle off the option that says email. Okay. Then you have to go back. And then repeat the same steps for all the other three options. So we will click on message reminders. Then again, we will toggle off the option that says email. Then we'll go back. Then we will click on InMail. Again, toggle off the option that says email. Then we will go back. After that, click on InMail reminders. And then again, toggle off the option that says email, and that's it. That's how you turn off email notifications on LinkedIn.